Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Brianna and I'm going to show you how to get this half up, half down curly style. Just go ahead and stay tuned. So this hair is provided by Afsister wig, and right out the box it is absolutely gorgeous. You guys can see that curl pattern and that the middle part is pre-plucked for you. They also come with two wig bands. It's one inside of the wig and there's one extra in the box. This is a T-part wig, meaning there's only lace in the middle part and on the edges. However, there's more than enough lace for you to go ahead and edit the hairline to your liking. And I'm going to show you guys how I pluck that hairline in just a second. I also wanted to show you guys the highlights in the wig. The highlights are really nice. They're throughout the hair. The curl pattern is really nice and the length is really nice. So I'm just taking my mannequin head and I am taking a pair of sharp tweezers. I'm going to go right behind the hairline and start plucking. You guys can see where the tracks are, so you see how much lace that you get. It's not a ton of lace, but it is enough for you to still doctor the hairline. I also plucked the middle part, and then I used a T-pin and a rubber band to just make sure that part was nice and straight. So you're going to just add hairspray of your liking. This hairspray is a tad bit dark to match the brown color in the wig, but that's okay because I blended it anyway, so in the end you can't really tell. And so you're able to see how straight that part looks, very clean. I'm going to add some of my foundation to the inside of the lace just to go ahead and tint that lace. And I already applied my glue off camera, and now I'm just making sure that the wig is nice and snug to my head. So here you just see me flat twisting my edges out of the way, and that's so that I can make sure that the wig is secure onto my head. So I'm going to take off my ear tabs, apply some hairspray, and then wrap my edges so that that wig is laid. The final step in the application process is to remove the lace. So I'm just going to take a straight razor and carefully cut that lace off, being careful not to remove too much. And I just want to take a second so that you guys can appreciate that melt. That's what adding that hairspray and that headband does. It makes sure that that lace melts right into your skin. So now to achieve the half up, half down, I'm just taking my hot comb and making sure that the ponytail portion is as sleek as possible so it can sit very close to my head. And I'm going to spray some hairspray and use a boar bristle brush to make sure there are no flyaways. I'm using another one of my rubber bands to just tie it super tight, and then I'm going to take a piece from the back, apply some mousse on it to avoid any flyaways, and just wrap that around the rubber band so that you cannot see it. I forgot to mention that I did my edges off camera and also my makeup, but I'm just going ahead and applying the mousse throughout my hair, and that's just helping to tame any frizziness from me plucking the hairline and manipulating the hair. This hair does get frizzy and it does get very big. I like that, but for this look I want the curls to be a little more defined. And here is the finished look, you guys. It is super easy. There isn't a lot of lace, so there's not a long application time. The hair looks super realistic. Well, the hairline looks super realistic. The hair is super full. You can see in the back, you can't see any track. Even though you don't have a lot of the lace, the hair definitely makes up for it. I want to thank Afsister Wigs for working with me on this video, and I hope that you guys liked it as well. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much.